Forget about the leaks, a retailer has already begun selling the Galaxy S24. Yesterday, we witnessed the fresh hands-on leak of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 series is expected to become available in the next days or weeks. Samsung has not yet officially released this device, but it seems that the company is preparing for its introduction and may have already supplied phones to select stores. One of these stores seems to have overlooked the planned release date and began selling the phone ahead of time. Roland Quant, a well-known leaker, discovered that the Mexican retailer Dodo was already ready to offer the Galaxy S24, with the 128 gigs version priced at 16499 pesos and the 256 gigs model priced at 17999 pesos, which are the same pricing as the previous versions with the same storage capacities. The retailer's rates for the Galaxy S24 might be temporary placeholders, and it is unknown if the business is truly selling the smartphones or whether the listings were made public too soon. 10 units of the 128 gigs Galaxy S24 and 4 units of the 256 gigs variant, according to the retailer, are the only ones now available. This means that they may be ready to ship the phones before the formal launch, but selling the phones early might jeopardize their commercial relationship with Samsung, and the retailer is unlikely to want to take such a risk. Samsung is upset with leakers who have been leaking marketing photographs of their goods before their official release. It seems that they have even given legal letters to several well-known leakers to cease doing so. According to reports, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will be equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in all regions except Europe, where the Galaxy S24 Plus and standard Galaxy S24 are expected to use the Exynos 2400 chip. A well-known informant has provided vital facts about the One UI 6.1 Animations MUI. According to Ice Universe, the animation frame rate has been enhanced again compared to One UI 6.0, which indicates that the animation will seem smoother and more delicate. By removing the backdrop blur effect, Samsung likely recognized that it would increase power consumption. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.